Berno said, Uncle Brad, how can you tell me a little bit about the I-212 waiver? My friend has a deportation in her case. The immigration has sent her an I-212 waiver. What is that? An I-212 waiver, what is that supposed to mean?
It means that you've been a resident for more than... deportation case is a waiver for reentry after prior deportation.
Ever Blessed saying, can a green card holder petition for a spouse living in the USA and children under 21 outside of the USA?
Yes.
Siri Bull said I-360 was done after the marriage-based affidavit of support pending after the adjustment of status is pending after interview. Does both cases continue processing, or do they auto-send the marriage pending adjustment of status to VSC to join your 360? I refiled all the forms and didn't hold file in abeyance.
No, they should hold your adjustment pending, but she filed a new adjustment?
Yeah, it sounds like it. Mm-hmm.
All right, well, you can't have two adjustments pending, so I don't know what you're doing right now. You either have one adjustment pending and you put in an I-360 to replace the I-130, or you withdraw, or that adjustment was denied, withdrawn, and you file a new adjustment, but there's no two adjustments pending.
Some post saying, my sister who's a U.S. citizen sponsored me 2016, USCIS, still not approved my case yet. What's going on?
2016 brother-sister?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you got about 15 more years, 10 more years now.
Chelsea Hazard said, how long would it normally take for an EAD renewal to get approved?
About 6 months.
Mohammed saying, I'm a member of the Brad Squad. My question is, what happens to those who are not knowingly registered to vote and voted in naturalization applications?
Well, it's possible they can claim false claim to U.S. citizenship. You got a problem, come see me.
Esther said, if I have a green card, if I join the military, will the process of becoming a citizen be faster?
Yes, you get to file for your citizenship 1 year after joining the military.
Momo said, I have an ESTA visa, but the visa expired and I overstayed. I was deported from the USA. I don't know. I denied visa in the U.S. Embassy.
Because you got deported. You need a lawyer.
Isha said, how long does it take to get the EAD card when someone does a concurrent filing?
About 6 months.
Copper saying, I received my 10-year green card finally after 10 months. Can you tell me how much time it takes to apply for citizenship? Do I have to get a new SS, old one authorized for work only?
No, your social security number will remain the same. You can file for citizenship after 5 years or 3 years if you're in a bona fide marriage.
Copper said, does a 10-year green card mean I have all the rights as a U.S. citizen?
No.
Binta saying, how long after filing a VAWA should I get a reply in a good case that will I receive?
A bona fide marriage, prima facie on a VAWA should be in about 6 months.
Fox Racing said, let's assume that USCIS issued a voluntary departure and they never initiated removal proceedings. Do you think it's going to be a problem if the person decided to adjust their status at one point in the future?
As long as you were never in removal proceedings, it shouldn't be a problem.
Mr. Willie saying, how long does the USCIS take to approve an I-130 after RFE respond was received
within
January
120
11th?
days.
Farrow said, how can I be sure that I can still stay with my husband after my interview date entering the checkpoint from El Paso, Texas to Carlsbad, New Mexico without the Border Patrol detaining me? I'm married to a U.S. citizen but don't have a work permit.
After your interview date? Where's your interview? You have an advance parole, you should be able to come back. Otherwise, you're going to have a problem.
Renee said, it's 1 year and 6 months since I sent in my paperwork. And
we did it. How do you keep going, man?
Because he told me to keep going this time.
Did it.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.